So hello everyone, welcome back to School Coaching Points. So from today I will start one new series on a topic lines and angle from class 9. So basically in this series we will discuss the exercises. So we will start with the exercise 6.1. So here is the first question. So here in this given figure it is given AOC plus BOE is 70 degrees. So here angle AOC plus this is the angle AOC plus BOE, this is the angle. The sum of these two angles, how much it is given? 70 degree. BOD is 40 degree. BOD, this is the angle BOD, this is the angle BOD 40 degree. We have to find out BOE, that means BOE, this angle we have to find out, and the reflex of COE. This is the angle COE, but we have to find out the reflex. So first of all, we should learn one important concept about the straight angle. So how can you define a straight angle? Suppose this is a straight line. If you take any point on the given line, suppose A is the point, then the angle about this point A in the above the line, it becomes a straight angle. It becomes a what? Straight angle. And the value of the straight angle is always equals to 180 degrees. So exactly same concept we need to use in the given figure. So here AOB, this is the point O, and AOB form a straight angle. So here is the straight angle, this is the straight angle, and here we can see that this straight angle is divided into three angles. So what are the three angles? AOC is one is the angle, COE is the another one, and the third one is BOE. So you can write that AOC plus COE plus BOE equals to 180 degree because AOB is a straight angle. So we have to write here angle AOB equals to 180 degree. So why it is 180 degree? Just now I have given the explanation. It is straight angle. And this AOB is divided into three angles. First one is AOC. So here it is AOC. Second angle is COE plus the third one is BOE. Third one is BOE equals to 180 degree. Now in this statement, so we have already written the sum of this triangle is 180 degree. So here AOC, what is the value of AOC? Now in this given figure BOD, so BOD, this angle BOD is equals to what? AOC. So why they are equal? These two angles form vertically opposite angles. So BOD is equals to what? AOC. This is what? Vertically opposite angles. So BOD is how much given? Is 40 degree. So from here we can write AOC also what? 40 degree. So angle AOC how much we get? It's 40 degree. Again one more relation is given in the question. So here is the relation. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to how much? Is 70 degree. So AOC how much it is? 40 degree. So it's 40 plus BOE equals to 70 degree. So from here BOE equals to how much? 70 minus 40 is equals to 30 degree. So BOE is how much? 30 degree. Now in this statement AOC how much we get? 40 degree. So put the value of AOC. COE we don't know. BOE is 30 degree equals to 180 degree. So from here COE equals to 180 minus 40 plus 30 70 degree. So 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. So COE how much? Angle COE equals to 110 degree. But in this given question we have to find out the reflex of COE. So how can you find out the reflex? It's very simple. Reflex means we have to subtract the given angle from 360 degree. So 360 minus COE. So here the given angle is COE. So we have to find out the reflex of COE. It means from 360 degree we have to subtract the measure of the angle COE. That means 360 minus 110. So what is the value? It's 250 degree. So reflex of COE, reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degree.